We love playing with Kari because like all the dance moves, the singing, but she's also got that fiddle. I think we should do just a little bit of fiddling music. All right, I'll tell you what, because we didn't know your David Allen Coe song.
We got a request for some fiddle music, and we're going to try to work that out for you guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for being here at Legends Corner today. We really appreciate it. It's a beautiful day in Nashville, Tennessee. The sun's shining, and we're just so glad that you guys are here. We hope you're having a good time in Nashville today. And you interrupted my monologue. I was just telling them how grateful I was for the sunshine. And it's kind of like below a cloud right now, but it's there. It's still there. You know, just because
go below a cloud. That's not how the sun and clouds work.
Behind the cloud. I mean, the clouds went in front of it.
It didn't really. Okay. Yeah. They're both moving, you see.
I'm just going to stop talking.
No, what were you going to say? Finish it up. I'm just giving you a...
No, I'm just saying that just because in life, just because a cloud comes over the sun doesn't mean the sun's not still there. You know. Anyway.
That's right, Kari. She's going to be writing honky-tonk Hallmark cards for everybody. But we had a big old request for our song about a train that used to run from New York City down to Miami, Florida. A lot of people don't know this song's about a train. Uh-oh, she's getting serious.
I'm getting serious. I can't play with these fringes with this song. It's just...
Yeah, it's... You don't need any fringe benefits for this song. She wants to show the guns. Yeah, girl. All right, here it is, y'all. It's called the Orange Blossom Special by request. Miss Kari Nelson and the boys are going to do this one for you.
Just gonna check what's in the coffee.